basic information, your name, your phone number, your email, your address, dependents that may be in your household. And then you're also going to be fully equipped with the documents that you need to prepare your taxes. If you've gotten your taxes done by a professional, then you know exactly what documents that entails. But we also are going to make sure you know what to be prepared with. W-2s, 1099s, mortgage interest statement, business profit and loss statement, of course your dependent care if you have any, medical bills, dental bills, and just supporting documents of the deductions that you're going to list on your tax return. Then we're going to take it on to step 2. Step 2 is super smooth and super easy, because what happens is we're going to give you access to the actual professional software that you're going to be able to prepare just like a professional like myself, right? Now, of course, we're not expecting you to just know the software and the platform, and that's why you have me. I'm going to take you through the steps of being able to import into the app, from the mobile app into the software. And it is integrated, so there's no additional work that you have to do there. And then we're going to guide you through on how to locate your tax code, which is specific to your mobile app, your application, the security of your information. And then we're going to take your email, post that into the software, and then boom, the magic starts, right? Then we're going to go through and verify all of the information that you're putting into the software, just to make sure that we're doing that double check, right? Because when we send this through to the IRS, we want to make sure that it is our best work and that the refund or the tax liability, it's at its best.